If you want to remove a payment method from your Zoom account, follow these simple steps to ensure your billing information is updated. Step 1. Log into your Zoom account. Visit the Zoom website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the payment method you wish to remove. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account management section. You can find this option in the left-hand menu if you are an admin or under your profile settings if you are a regular user. Step 3. Go to billing. In the account management section, click on billing. This will take you to your billing information where you can view your current payment methods. Step 4. Manage payment methods. Look for the payment methods section. Here you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Find the one you want to remove and click on the option to manage or edit it. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Select the option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the payment method is successfully removed from your account. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from your Zoom account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Zoom support for further assistance.